If you've been meaning to register a ChatGPT account, but you haven't gotten around to it because you're too busy with your business, well, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through registering a ChatGPT account. And I'm gonna give you 7 quick things that you can do that'll help any business. And stick around till the end for a special trick that'll skyrocket your ChatGPT results, even if you're a pro user. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we unlock your potential and take it to the next level. Or welcome back if you're a longtime subscriber, Dad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through registering with ChatGPT once and for all so you can finally shake off that FOMO. I'm also going to share with you 7 of the best prompts any business can use to get immediate results with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll feel like you're cheating, but trust me, it's all legit. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll reveal a trick that will make your results stand out, improving them by 44% compared to what everyone else is getting with ChatGPT. I mean, what does 44% improvement even mean? Did we use some super secret AI measuring tape or something? You'll have to watch and find out. Let's ignite the spark and tackle the problem at hand. Let's get you registered. So go ahead and head to chat.openai.com. Click sign up, enter an email address, click continue. Now pick a password. It must contain at least 8 characters, and then click continue. Then it will ask you to go to your email to confirm. Now, find that email. It'll take a few minutes, so go ahead, pause this video if you have to. Yeah, I know you don't want to let go, but I'll still be here, I promise.
Damn!
Okay, great, welcome back. Now click the link on that email, and you will want to enter your name, last name, date of birth. Okay, then you'll have to enter a phone number. I tried using Google Voice, but that didn't work. Then it'll send you a code, so just enter that in and read through these prompts. One thing to keep in mind is that they collect all data to train ChatGPT. So make sure not to enter any sensitive data, especially customer data. Always replace your sensitive information with random fake info. And make sure you change the final result on your own. You're done. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. What? Wait. Oh, we're not done yet. Oh, dang. Wait, you guys can cut that right out of the edit.
You can do it!
Now, let's shed some light on the issue and go through 7 powerful prompts you can use right away to get immediate results for your business. I will put bookmarks on these, so feel free to skip to whichever one you think might be more relevant for you right now. And make sure to bookmark this video so you can come back and try the other ones at any time. They are, number 1, brainstorm marketing campaign ideas. The prompt is, imagine you're a top marketing strategist. Generate 5 unique marketing campaign ideas for whatever your industry, business, targeting specific demographic, with a focus on, and you pick your campaign goal, brand awareness, lead generation. Go ahead, try it out now. Number 2, create engaging social media post idea. The prompt would be, behave as a viral social media expert. Come up with 3 attention-grabbing social media post ideas for your industry, business, to increase engagement on, and then you would specify the platform. For example, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Number 3, draft a persuasive ad copy. The prompt would be, in the style of a legendary copywriter. Now, in this case, you can change that if you have a favorite copywriter. In my case, I'm a fan of Dan Henry. So in the style of Dan Henry, write a persuasive ad copy for you would put in your product or service, targeting specific demographic, highlighting its key features and benefits. Number 4, respond to a customer. The prompt would be, imagine you're a renowned customer service expert. Craft a professional and empathetic response to a customer complaint about a delayed shipment for whatever your industry, business. Number 5, generate blog post ideas. Behave as a leading content marketer. List 5 blog post topics related to your industry or niche that will attract and engage our target audience, whatever that is. Number 6, optimize product descriptions. Imagine you're an expert copywriter and SEO specialist. Improve product description of your product to make it more persuasive and SEO friendly, focusing on its unique selling points. Now in this, you can actually list the selling points. It'd be 1, 2, 3. Or you can ask it, what are some unique selling points for a product that is about this, if you don't have any. Number 7, outline a sales email. In the style of a successful salesperson you may know, create an outline for a sales email promoting product or service that addresses common objections and showcases customer success stories. So go ahead, give these prompts a try and you'll be amazed at how ChatGPT can help you tech it up a notch for your business. Now, before we dive into that special 44% improvement trick that I promised you guys, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with others if you find this information helpful and useful. Your support means a lot and it helps us continue creating helpful content for you. Now, let's talk about the 44% improvement. Studies such as the RCI study and the reflection study show that employing metacognition strategies like self-reflection and dynamic memory can significantly enhance the quality of AI outputs by as much as up to 44% improvement in accuracy and results. Now, what does that even mean? For ChatGPT, it means you can boost your results by simply asking it, find problems or issues with the result and suggest improvements. Once ChatGPT answers that, you can tell it, okay, please make those changes you suggested. And that's it. You will watch the results just improve dramatically. And don't forget, since you're the expert in your business, feel free to talk to ChatGPT like an assistant and tell it to make any other adjustments you see fit. ChatGPT understands natural human language, so treat it like a friend or an assistant, more like an assistant. And you'll be on your way to getting incredible results at 658,345,008 times the speed as measured by our super secret AI ruler. Trust us. If you found this video helpful, you want to check out my next video that'll help you improve the quality of your blog posts and boost traffic on Google. That video is right here on the right somewhere. So make sure to watch it and continue learning how to leverage technology to grow your business. Until next time.